Now are the times for another kind of fuel, CNG, compressed natural gas. There are a lot of advantages of using CNG. It is a clean fuel. So, that is why even in buses CNG is being used. In many automobiles CNG is being used. It is cheaper, it does not produce so much of smoke and it does not pollute air. Another advantage is it can be supplied through pipes. So, it is being used in automobiles and it is also been used as fuel in homes and industries. CNG supply is there in Vadodara. In India, natural gas is available in Tripura, Rajasthan, Maharashtra and Krishna Godavari Delta. So, nowadays we are shifting to CNG because of the economic reasons and also to save our environment. Now, you see the point to remember is it is just like, as I have always said, like a bank. The natural resources are like our bank. If we only keep on withdrawing from our bank, very soon we will be bankrupt, which means there will be no money left. Similarly, there are many resources which are exhaustible, like fossil fuels. Although fossil fuel is renewable because dead bodies keep on changing to coal and petrol, but it takes millions of years and consumption takes very little time. So, it is very important for us to use our fuel carefully. These days, what is happening? There is consumerism all around. Every family has 2 to 3 cars and bigger the car, better it is. Nobody wants to use public transport. Nobody wants to switch off the car when there is red light or when it is not required. Engine is on. People even leave their engine on and go to buy something, maybe a cigarette or maybe a pan or something. They do not think about it. Though there is so much of ad, so much of campaigning. You see, we cannot stop using these things because they are useful. But yes, what we can do is we can reduce, we can recycle. These are the mantras for resources. We must reduce, reuse and recycle. The 3 R's. Reduce means if you are going out and if you can go together, then please save your environment. That is very important. Do not waste your fuel because then your children or the next coming generations, they will say we never got anything or we did not receive the kind of earth and the natural resources that our ancestors enjoyed. We want to leave so much of wealth for our children. We want to construct houses, we want to construct business, we want to run business and we say we are doing it for our children. But the most important thing, saving the natural resources, we do not bother to do. But actually the real inheritance would be if we are able to transfer clean environment, transfer our natural resources to our children. And so, let us take the pledge, not just in oratory fashion, but real promise to ourselves that we will not waste our resources. We will reduce the usage, reuse them and recycle them.